How will you feel that after working so many years or few months trying to get your 4,000 watch hours for monetization, and at the end you got the 1,000 the 4,000 watch hours and decided to apply. And when you apply, you get a feedback from YouTube that they couldn't monetize monetize your channel, even though that you have reached the 4,000 hours, 4,000 watch time hours within 365 days, the last 365 days. How will you feel about this if you get a message like that? That is what we are going to address in this video so that you know what to do and what not to do. All right? And stay in the right track, because most times we creators on YouTube, our problem is usually the 4,000 watch time hours. We usually reach the 1,000 subscribers so easily and faster when compared to what we compare to 4,000 watch time hours. For example, somebody like me, in the month I got my 1,000 subscribers, it took me extra 2 months to get my 4,000 watch time hours. All right. So it's usually like that for most creators. And I don't want to make the mistake that some people have made in the past that made them to be denied monetization after they received the 4,000 watch hours. Number one cause of this is when you get your 4,000 watch hours through the illegal way, all right, by applying different dirty tricks. All right, sometimes it may not be your fault. It may be the fault of people that want to market their platform for others to get 4,000 watch hours or go get more views and more subscribers. You know, that kind of thing. So there are a lot of dirty things happening out there on the web, and I don't want you to fall prey. So let me take you through the dashboard on how to check, all right, to know sources of your traffic to your videos. You have to start with the popular videos, the videos that are getting much views. Once you've noticed that one of your videos have started getting a lot of views, check the traffic sources. All right. If the external traffic sources is not something know that may be coming out may be coming from people that are using bots to push views to different channels. They're everywhere. We find a lot of them in India, or a lot of those platforms in India, Bangladesh, and some other countries. There is no how you cut corner on the platform because YouTube is wiser than you. They have a lot of tools that will help to dictate. So without talking too much on this first section, let's get to the screen, okay? All right, visit studio.youtube.com. Once you're on this platform, on this your studio account, just click on content, then get to any video. Start from the videos that get more views on your YouTube channel. All right, to ensure that they're coming from reliable sources and not any source that is promoting YouTube views. Okay, so once you open the video, click on analytics. So here I'm using this one as an example and click on reach. Okay, so once you're here, scroll down to see your traffic sources, okay? Then focus here on the external sites or apps, okay? Then you can see here we have some external sites as WhatsApp, WhatsApp.com, WhatsApp Business, Google Search, and YouTube. You can click here to see more, all right, so that you see more of them. We have Gmail and we have msn.com. That's Microsoft, okay? This is owned by Microsoft. So all these platform external sites are popular platforms, okay? So I don't have any issue with this. So if this happens to be one of my videos that gets more of the views, I wouldn't be troubled because all these platforms are popular, they are known. But where you will start getting worried is maybe when you start seeing some unpopular external sites here, maybe syz.com forward slash Z, all right? All those kind of sites that are not popular. Then you will know that these external sites are those sites that promote views. All right, they may somebody may just pick your URL and then place it on that platform for people to start clicking and come and watch your video. So if you accumulate many watch hours through that means, it is illegal. All right, it's against YouTube terms and condition. And if you at the end get that 4,000 watch time hours and apply, YouTube will deny you monetization. So you should pay attention to this. Start from your videos that get more views and then get to others. All right. So after this, if you find out that this traffic source is traffic is coming from sources that are not well known, what do you do? First, as you get to the video, click on the details tab. All right, just as I am right now. So once you get to this details tab, scroll down. Okay, scroll down to the page and until you get to the section that talks about embedding of links. All right, you can see here, allow embedding. Uncheck this box. Once you uncheck this box and click on it for it to be unchecked. Okay, so once you click on this like this, it will be unchecked. So those people that are posting your links on the other platforms that promote you to views, when they click on that link, it will not be able to open again. The link will be unclickable. All right, so all the traffics now will be centered on YouTube platform. You are doing this because of the situation at hand. Okay, but if there is nothing like that coming from maybe unknown platform, if the traffic is coming from unknown platform, don't worry, just allow this to be checked. Okay, but any of your videos that you notice that the traffic is coming from questionable platform, please uncheck this or possibly delete the video, because when YouTube start making their checks after you reach the 4,000 watch time hours, it may be one of the things that will prevent your channel from getting monetized. Okay, let's talk about another avenue. Okay, there is another thing you need to be mindful of. All right, very, very important. You know, YouTube content creation is not easy. Any person that tells you it's easy is lying to you. All right, it's not easy. And because it's not easy, some bad players sometimes will come to your YouTube channel. Maybe when you are close to 1,000 subscribers, all right? And they will tell you that they offer some services. They may even start by, okay, leaving a comment in your video that they notice that your video is not getting as much views as it's supposed to get, that they can help you, all right? Optimize it for it to rank in search engine optimization, all right, so that you start getting much views. As a beginner, don't make that mistake and subscribe to those guys. Let me tell you what they do. When you give them that chance to, okay, work with you, all right, do what you can do for me to start getting traffic, they may pick links to your video and go and place them in all these sites that provide views to some YouTube channels, all right, illegally. So people will keep on clicking and watching some few hours of your video, few minutes of your video, just for you to accumulate, views and watch time hours at the same time. So don't make that mistake to give those guys that chance, because at the end, if you get that views, it will be difficult for you to monetize a YouTube channel. So watch out for them. There was a time I was getting messages from them, even in my email, every week. The first time I got email from one of them, I was like, "You want to optimize my channel, all right? Because you want it to rank to search engine, optimize it so that you're getting views." And I started thinking, "Are you sure these guys are pure?" No, I don't want to cut corners. That's my life. I don't like cutting corners in everything I do. All right. So if you maybe they send you email and you agree, another thing they may do is that they will send bots to your YouTube channel. All right, those bots will keep on clicking on your videos for you to be getting views and watch time hours at the same time. At the end, you may be happy. Yeah, I've gotten all these views and everything. Then when you apply, that's when it should be done on you that you got those views and watch time hours in illegal way, and that will make YouTube to flag the monetization. They will not monetize you, and at that point, you start, feeling bad. But the idiots that work for you have already collected their money. They never told you this is illegal. So maintain a clean sheet and do your thing clean. Don't try to cut corner. I know it's not easy, but please persevere because it will look more painful at the end of the years or a year of staying here and apply for monetization and YouTube denies you that. So that's my message for you. You can get 4,000 watch hours, but you don't get monetized on this platform. So be careful and then do your thing in a legal way. And at the end, you'll be happy when you are rewarded. Okay. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we give a lot of tips on YouTube. All right. And tech in general. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section and I'll answer you. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.